I am Rajesh here. I am working as a trainer at Enable India. So today I am going to show you an interesting option in the computer. So it's especially for those who are interested in music. So do you all know how we can play piano in the computer? So that's what I am going to show you now today. So if you want, you have to install the piano keyboard from Microsoft Store. You just go to the Microsoft Store and in the search just type piano. Then below only, if you press down arrow once, you'll get the piano keyboard. Press enter and there only you'll get if you press tab once, you'll get a get button. So click on the get button, it will be installed in your computer. So after installing, how you can use that app, I will show you now. So I'm pressing Windows button to go to the start menu.
Start search offset it line.
So here I'll go to the all apps list.
Start list, toggle all apps list, recently added grouping.
So I'm pressing P for P grouping.
P, 3D.
So using down arrow here.
Phone link, photos, piano 10.
So piano 10. So I'm going to press enter on this piano 10 to open the piano keyboard.
Piano 10 window button. Button focus. D.
So I'll exit the NVIDIA now.
D, side 100. Exit and restart exit.
So now using the alphabets and alphanumeric keys, you can play the piano in your computer. So I'll just pressing the keys here. And also you can increase and decrease the level of piano. I'm pressing down arrow here. See, if the same key, if I press up arrow, see, again I press up arrow, the level will be changing in the keyboard. So those who are interested, you can search piano keyboard notes in computer. So you will get it in the Google. You can read and you can play the piano in computer itself. So thank you.
Breakfreesolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.